it's Cheyenne, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make butter slime. So if you guys want to make butter slime, just follow this tutorial and you'll do great and it will turn out. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video so I can reach 15 subscribers by the end of the month. So let's get on to the video. First thing you want to do is add in a bottle of white glue, and I added in, I don't know if you guys can see, Jot white glue. It is from the Dollar Tree, so you can get 2 of those for $1. So basically each one for 50 cents. And right now you can get Elmer's glue for 50 cents at Walmart just because it's school season. But either way, they both work great. But if you guys want to get the cheaper version, I'd rather go this because Elmer's may not be 50 cents right now. Usually they're $1 at cheapest. So first you just want to add in your glue, and I'm not going to be dyeing this any because as you can see right here, I have red clay. Sorry, I dropped it in the glue earlier. But I have red clay, so I'm not going to be dyeing it because I'll just dye it. And after you add the glue, all you want to do is add in this borax. Guys, don't know if you can, well, you guys can't see it, but it's just a cup of warm water to a tablespoon of borax mixed in until it's dissolved. And then all you have to do is add in a tiny bit at a time and then stir it. And then once it's not sticky anymore and it's coming off the sides and it kind of feels like there's hair in it, which there's not, then that is when you take it out of the bowl and start kneading it. Okay guys, this may not look sticky to you, but I promise it is sticky. So you just want it to be really sticky, and this slime is really clicky. You want to make sure that it is sticky, otherwise it'll make your slime very hard. And then you're just going to add in the clay. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in the block. And this clay, it's a different clay because I ordered it from Wish, which all of it comes from China. Actually, this may turn it pink. I hope it doesn't. Well, that looks like what is it gonna do? Oh well. But anyway, I ordered this from Wish, which comes from China. So it's a different type of clay. But if you guys don't want to order this, if you go to Dollar General, there's this one, it's Fun Madness or something like that. And half of it's pink and half of it's yellow. These two things are basically the same thing. So if you can't get this, but you can get the other stuff, they're very, very similar. So I have a feeling this is going to take a bunch of kneading because as you can see, there's the clay is not mixing in very well. Well, it is, but there's still chunks. And if you do make butter slime, just take note that butter slime does take a lot of time to knead in the clay just because it's glue and there's going to be chunks of clay. So you really do need to take your time and knead it all in. A hack, well, if you guys don't know this, there is a hack. Well, at least I just found this out. There is a hack on how, if you have chunks of clay, just go like this. Because it, spreads it out, and butter slime is supposed to be spreadable. And this, as you can see, it's still sticky, so after you're done kneading all the clay chunks in and stuff, all you have to go back in is just add a little bit more activator, and it should be fine. I know Daiso clay makes your slime hard if your slime is already hard. So make sure that is sticky. If you're using Model Magic, that will make your slime hard. So you can either take lotion and soften those clays up before, or just make your slime sticky. And either way, it'll be totes great. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share this video so I can reach 15 subscribers by the end of the month because that was so cool. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and if you want me to do more slime tutorials and videos like this. So, bye!